Hi, I tried to make a video of a lime icebox pie that I made this afternoon, but it wasn't successful. It was too long and the video wasn't too good, so I'm just going to tell you what I did. I had 3 limes that my sister had one and her husband brought me over yesterday off of their lime tree. So I decided to make a lime icebox pie instead of a lemon icebox pie. And it calls for 1/2 cup lemon juice, but I used 1/2 cup lime juice, 1 can of Eagle brand milk, 2 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And you mix all of that up, and you have prepared a graham cracker crust, which I took 7 graham crackers and crumbled them up, and I added like 1/8 cup of sugar to it and 1/2 stick of melted butter. I mixed that right in my pie plate, and then when I mixed up my filling, I poured that in the pie plate and made my meringue. And the meringue was what I was trying to show you how to make, but it turned out to be entirely too long, so I just had to scrap it. Anyhow, I have baked it in the oven, and it turned out real good, so I'm going to post a picture of it and you can see. And if you have any questions about the recipe, you can let me know. Bye. Have a good afternoon.